Well, good afternoon. We are out here in beautiful Phoenix, Arizona, in a cute little pocket called Chelsea Place. If you're familiar with the Roosevelt Historic area, any of these amazing little homes down here, there's a bunch of little pocket areas with some amazing properties, tons of curb appeal. And this beauty right here that we're gonna go take a look at today is a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath, over 3,600 square feet, originally built in, are you ready? 1925. So this amazing home not only has the curb appeal, but it was also completely remodeled and updated inside. So I think you're gonna like what you're gonna see. It's pretty move-in ready, but not too updated where it doesn't make sense. So the homeowners definitely kept the age of the home in mind, kept the character of it. Just a super fun property. And take a look at this street. Absolutely gorgeous. Yes, we are in Phoenix, Arizona. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, like my video, share my video, comment. This is just one of the historic areas out here in Phoenix. If you're thinking about moving or relocating and have a specific location in mind, let me know. I can get a video tour for you anytime, anywhere. Wonderful. So we're going to head on into this gorgeous home. Not only is the main home over 3,600 square feet, but it also has a 358 square foot finished basement. So that itself is pretty unique out here in Arizona. We don't really have a lot of homes with basements. Some of the historic homes do, and some of the custom homes throughout the valley, but it's not something you see a lot, especially finished. So that's going to be wonderful added square footage for you, or storage, or however you'd like to use it. This amazing home also offers a detached casita, or also known as a guest house. And that bad boy is over 450 square feet, has a full kitchen, ready to go. You can either rent it, have a place for your in-laws, whatever you need to make this property work. There's just endless possibilities. Some great parking. So you do have that double RV gate that goes into the backyard. And you have this gorgeous long driveway. I would say you could easily fit 3 to 4 cars. And that is real grass. So wonderful curb appeal. Great location. So you are walking distance to restaurants, events. You're pretty central to everything. The airport's pretty close. So we are gonna take a walk inside. Just want you to see how gorgeous this is. We do have these ceiling fans. It gives that little southern classic feel. Some French doors. And I mean, this front porch is amazing. It's super big, cornered, beautiful. So we're gonna head on in. And again, take in all the features. This beautiful door to start off with. Definitely has the charm. And this home definitely is a wowzer. So there is a lot to take in. As you enter, you have these gorgeous real wood floors, and they are throughout the whole first floor, as you can see. Wall to wall, beautiful floors, great condition. The whole interior of the home was recently painted. So like I said, pretty move-in ready. You have that wonderful fireplace right there. These are great. Little bookshelves. And this right here looks like it's a gas fireplace, so pretty easy to use. And take a look at this tile. Oh, that is beautiful. A really nice feature in this room. Also the windows. Again, this is a gorgeous home built in 1925. So much character, so many things I want you to take in. If this is a home that you want more info on, please contact me. We can set up a FaceTime, an in-person showing. Would love to help you purchase this gorgeous home. Again, it's a 5-bed, 3.5 bath in the historic area of Phoenix, Arizona. This bad boy is priced at $1.779. So we are under $2 million on this one. And there's just so much space. So the space is pretty well used in this home. It's pretty open. There is a full bedroom bathroom also on the first floor. And you have this den area right here. So pretty nice to work from home or set up a at-home school. If your kids are homeschooled, it'd be a pretty cute little classroom setup. I would probably take this as my office just because it's nice and quiet. I still feel like I'm part of everything. And this is your formal dining area, which leads right out here to another patio area. So you can set up your barbecue grill, all that fun stuff right here. And it's a great size room, which is opened up right to this countertop. So you could put stools here if you wanted, probably about 4 or 5. Kitchen's adorable. So the cabinets are just perfect to the details, these windows. They did a great job. This floor is super fun. So you have the real wood over here, but right here you got the pretty little mini tiles throughout. Adds a little bit of color and life. And then you have this island counter height in the middle. Lots of storage right here. And you have this beautiful gas stove. It is a Thermador. And my husband's favorite right here, the pot filler. So, not that we cook that often, but I guess when you do, it's always a good thing to have a pot filler. So this kitchen has stainless steel appliances. Lots of storage everywhere. Those big drawers are amazing. This is your view into the dining room. All I'm envisioning in here is making Christmas cookies. It's such a cute little classic kitchen. Absolutely beautiful. Look at these tall ceilings. So, I mean, we're in 1925. The ceiling height in here it's amazing. They did such a great job. And you have this little breakfast nook right here. So you can see all the way to the front from back here. Beautiful kitchen. And of course, a walk-in pantry / utility room. Dun, dun, dun. So this home does have a lot of storage to it. Lots of private areas. So this is that first floor bedroom. It's a great size. They have these cute closets over here. So they're pretty deep. They do walk in technically. And then you have this one. So 2 of these. This one's a little deeper with some shelving. Good size room. And you'll head on over here. So you do have your own bathroom, stand-up shower. Very pretty tile. You do have the throne room and your sink. Classic, classic. Lots of classic features. That's where we came from. And we will go down this hallway. There is a guest bathroom right here. So there's no shower, but the tile is beautiful. Good space in here. All right, we will go down to the basement, even though that's definitely not my favorite room in the house. This is a great space, a great little man cave. I mean, you've got a cool little laundry area too. But yeah, good space. I would open this closet door, but if you want to see what's behind there, book that appointment. I will love to show you the whole home. Gonna keep some of it hidden. You know, there's gonna be a reason why you book that appointment to come check this beautiful house out. Again, if you're in the Phoenix market looking for a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath home, this could be the one for you. Some more beautiful features, these classic light fixtures. So they did do wood on the stairs and up here. So everything pretty much blends beautifully together. So this is the second floor. So this right here is a great primary bedroom. Super fun with all the ceiling curves. This one you have a sitting area. And then you have a little fitness room. Again, I'm not opening that closet door. You want to see what's in that secret doorway? Book your appointment and we can check that out. We'll head out here. So you are in the city of Phoenix down here, so the night views are probably beautiful. That BMO building lights up. This will be the views from your new home. Beautiful, beautiful, and this could be your new primary bedroom. And you'll head on this way. This is the bathroom up there. Again, beautiful tile. Look at this closet. It is perfect. You can kind of design it how you'd like, put more shelving in, more rods in. And it is an amazing size to start with. A very good size primary bedroom closet. You have this cute sink set up and the shower. Very easy palette, very clean design, and so cute. Some of the original cabinetry. Balcony right here. And this is the upstairs bathroom. And again, they automatically come on. No need to jump startle. Tub shower combo. And we have a couple more rooms up here. Again, these are smaller bedrooms. This one's a little bigger. Some fun beams. I love the windows. The lighting up here is beautiful. Very calming. And they did think of closet space. There's some great closets in all these rooms. Cabinets built in. Upstairs laundry, which is wonderful. And then another balcony. So you get 2 balconies. This one's gonna face more of downtown. And that's your guest house. We're gonna go take a wander through there next. All right, so we are gonna head out to the guest house. So this is a low maintenance yard. They do have watering beds set up, some beautiful trees, lots of shade, another covered area. This is off that formal dining room, which does connect to the front, but you can lock it. Double RV gates. And they did pave this whole area, so you could use it for more parking, entertaining. Guest house is pretty privately set up back here. And kitchen's right off of this door. So really good size lot on this one. And it's middle of the afternoon. We're at about 1:30 in the afternoon, so as you can hear, it's pretty quiet. Again, it is a beautiful little community out here in Phoenix, Arizona. If you're looking for an amazing home with a guest house, either a full-time home or a part-time home, this is a great option. So this is the guest house. It's a full 1-bedroom guest house. You have a bedroom right there. You can use that curtain to have some privacy of your kitchen and living space. Great views. All right, well, thank you so much for taking the tour. Please remember to subscribe, to like, to comment, to share. If you want more info on this home, please comment more info below. Have an awesome day.